Hello guys, welcome back to Sharda's Frozen Hub. In this video I am showing you a very beautiful dramatic green glam eye makeup tutorial. So let's get started. Here I am using a gel eyeliner, black gel eyeliner from Music Flower, and shape up my eyebrows. After that I am defining my eyebrows with a concealer. I am using Wet n Wild concealer here. You can use any brand of concealer. So अगेन मैं अपनी ब्रोज को हाईलाइट करूँगी अच्छे से. फिर स्पैचुला की हेल्प से मैं यहाँ पर अपनी ब्रोज को डिफाइन कर रही हूँ, फॉर्म कर रही हूँ. देन अपर साइड पर भी मैंने कंसीलर अप्लाई कर लिया है अच्छे से, और इसको फिर मैं कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर से सेट कर रही हूँ. Here I am using a transition color, orange transition color to my crease line and blend it out. I am making a V in my outer corner of my eyes, and here I am using a waterproof kajal and blend it well. Blending is most important step in this eye makeup tutorial. Again I am using much more eyeshadow, black eyeshadow, and blend it with my transition color. I am using black eyeshadow on my whole eyelid and blend it with my transition color. Here I am using black eyeliner, gel eyeliner, and to define my crease. And here I am using in the center of my lid silver color and blend it to my whole lid. After that I am using green color on my lid and blend it well. With the help of a flat brush, I am using this shimmery green eyeshadow. At the outer corner of my eyes, I am using much more black eyeshadow. I am using concealer to define the corners. Again I am using a Lakme pencil liner, pen liner on my outer inner corner of my eyes. I am using a silver color, and on the lower lash line I am using same in the inner corner silver color, and in the middle of my lower lash line I am using green eyeshadow. After that I am using Lakme liner and make a pointed corner on my inner eyes to make a cat look. Here I am using silver color on my crease line. I am using a mascara and ये आई मेकअप लुक आपको कैसा लगा प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में जाकर मुझे बताइएगा. थैंक यू सो मच.